Hi everyone, my name is Megan Pancoast and this is my introduction video. So first off, I graduated from Millersville back in 2015 with my bachelor's in middle level education with concentration in science. Since graduating, I have worked at several different schools, including a charter school down in York. I worked at Northern High School in Dillsburg, and I taught science for 2 years at Allen Middle School, 1 year 6th grade and 1 year 8th grade, and I'm currently teaching both 5th and 6th grade science at Math Science Academy in Harrisburg School District. I'm in my final 2 classes of my STEM Master's program in Assessment, Curriculum, and Teaching, and I'm incredibly passionate about STEM education. A little bit about me personally. As you can see up here in the corner, I've got a few pictures. I'm a swing dancer. I love music and I play several different instruments. I'm also a performer. This is me doing fire performance. I love to go outside and explore, and this is my class pet dragon Remus, dressed up for Halloween. And I'm really happy right now because we have some of my favorite candy, Twix, left over. So, the first question that was asked was, how do students learn science? As a science teacher, I think the big things that students need to understand is they need to be observing and actually acting in hands-on science activities. They need to be doing the science and making sure that they are making observations about the world around them. I think one of the most powerful ways for students to learn science is through the use of discrepant events. Over here there is a picture of 2 soda cans that I did with my students, showing how they move, whether it's diet or regular, and my students had no clue what was happening until we actually did the experiment, which was kind of fun for them because it really broke their brains. So, what are some barriers to science learning? One of the biggest battles that I am constantly fighting with students is overgeneralizations about scientific concepts and misconceptions from their preconceptions. Things that they've noted and kind of have made cemented in their brains as it must be this because it is this way. I spend a lot of time breaking those misconceptions through the use of discrepant events and having students explore scientific concepts. So I kind of already talked about this a little bit. How does my classroom adhere to the tenets of science learning as described in the module's ratings? So I went off of the 3 big concepts, the 3 principles that were in Chapter 9. Addressing preconceptions, knowledge of what it means to do science, and metacognition. Students, I spend a lot of time with the preconceptions, making sure that I know what the students know or what they believe they know, because oftentimes they're very much like this little hashtag down here. I spend a lot of time teaching them how to do science, what it means to be a scientist, and how to go through the acts of doing science. And I spend a lot of time having the students reflect upon what they know and having them really practice learning what they understand and what they need help with. For me, when I was reading this article, I was incredibly interested. For me, what I teach, I'm a science teacher, so I tend to fall more into the sphere of technology, engineering, and mathematics, aiding in science. But as a principal, I strongly believe that STEM is a transdisciplinary subject, where all of the subjects should play into one another. Thank you.